Hello everybody, welcome to day 3. We're just going to put the hint video together with this first video of creating and interpreting scatterplots. So a scatterplot has a bunch of points that are scattered throughout the plane there. And what we want to do is make a line of best fit. So you kind of take your ruler, and it's good to have a transparent ruler if you can, and just kind of figure out what is something that looks like it goes through all the points or in the general area. So that's basically it. Now we're going to use that to come up with a function for that line so that we can kind of predict, if the flag height was this much more, how long would the shadow be? And this is what you do. So the way that you come up with your function for the line of best fit is to fill in two spots. So we're going to have a coefficient on x and a constant. So your constant is going to be your y-intercept, so it looks like it's pretty close to 0, so maybe I'll just do that. And then the line, the way that it's going up, you want to find some points that it looks like the line hits. So it looks like it hits this point right here, which is what? Halfway between 12 and 16 would be 14. And halfway between 6 and 4 would be 5. So this is coming through the point 5, 14. So, and 0, 0, I'm going to assume. So the change in the y value is 5 over the change in the x value is 14. So I'm going to say my coefficient on x will be 5/14. And it will be positive because it's going up and to the right. If the line was going down, then it would be a negative going down and to the right. Okay, so that's basically it. That's how you come up with your equation of the line of best fit. And this was kind of a special case where it hit 0, 0, but if you had a line going, I don't know, something like this. So let me just do that one. So I would say this has a y-intercept of somewhere between 6 and 8. I'm going to say 7. So this function, I'll just call this function here is f, and this one we'll call g. So g of x would be, let's see, my slope, looks like it's pretty close to hitting there. So it's going up 1 over, or up 1, yeah, so 7 to 8, and then it's going over 8, right? So up 1 over 8, so 1/8 x plus 7 would be the equation of that line right there, or function of that line. Okay, so that's how you create your very own scatter plot. You can check other values and make little predictions on what the different heights of the flagpole would be based on the shadow, or what the height of the shadow would be given the height of the flagpole. Okay, and then we have another situation here about flights going out of Chicago, and have all that data there. And then it gives us a little chart of the distance that you fly versus the time, right? Or this is flight time versus distance in miles. So you can make your own little line of best fit there. Okay, and answer those questions. And then you'll come up to this next video that talks about making scatter plots with GeoGebra. So go ahead and watch that video, and then you can put your own information into GeoGebra and make your own lines of best fit using computer software.